Discover why Knight Magee Insurance is your best choice for insurance. Tailored service. We value you as a person, not just a number. Support when you need it. We're here for you when you have a claim. Unbiased options. We're not tied to any single company, ensuring your insurance adapts with your needs. Your personalized consultants. We work alongside you to define your insurance necessities. Your financial advocates. We seek the best balance of price, coverage, and service. Complete coverage. From auto, home, business to life insurance and beyond. We've got you covered. Adaptable coverage. We regularly review your insurance to keep up with your evolving needs. Your satisfaction matters. It's at the heart of everything we do. Professionalism and community commitment. We're licensed experts with strong ties to our community. Your dedicated allies. At Knight Magee Insurance, we work for you.